medical professional needs a dose of reality at the airport.
Yes. She's trying to force her way into the plane.
I'm a psych nurse practitioner, so don't do any of this walk, because this is on the video. I literally gonna sue all of you. My seat is 35B. I've been recorded. This is on the video. Don't touch me.
Can I take this backpack off, please?
No.
Just real quick. Let me talk to you, all right? Come on. We're gonna
You
talk.
are hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
No.
We're not trying to. Just let's walk this way.
You are hurting me.
Bro, she's speed running through it. It was the you're hurting me. Oh, I'm gonna sue everybody. I'm recording. Got the phone out. She hit it all.
We're not trying to. Trust me.
What do you mean you're not trying
Just detaining you right now for your behavior. Don't resist. Don't resist.
I will resist.
Don't resist.
Don't touch me.
Just put your hands behind your back. All right?
Just relax.
I haven't done
Okay,
anything.
relax. I'm gonna go talk to you.
I'm
We're
a
gonna-
nurse practitioner.
Bro, I feel like anything in the airport, even if you fuck up a little bit, like they'll throw you in like a whole situation. Like it's a big ass deal. So you trying to force your way onto a plane that's already boarded? Yeah, they're not gonna ask any questions.
What's wrong?
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
had a few
Put your hands
cocktails.
behind your
That's all
back.
right. We'll
He's
work it
hurting
out.
me.
No, it's not hurting you. Just relax. Relax.
All right, let's have a seat.
Where you from?
Figure out what we got going on.
I can't do this. It hurts.
Where are you
Get a
from?
little
What are you
emotional.
doing?
Where are you from?
Here you go.
I'm Ukraine
Sit
and
down.
American.
Have a seat.
All right.
Just put your legs out here.
There you go.
What are you doing?
Relax. Now talk to us.
I'm
Okay?
Did you? How much
My
did
dad
force
died.
yourself
I'm
down.
trying to go.
How much
Relax.
did- how-
Don't worry. I'm a trouble
Stop crying. Tell us what's going on.
how much did you have to drink? Just talk to me with this.
Dude, I'm not gonna. She annoying as hell, bro.
Three cocktails.
How much? 3 cocktails?
So we have to detain you.
My beard. I swear to Jesus.
Okay, let's start with this. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your?
Hello.
It's not even gonna get like violent or nothing. She's just sitting there crying. I'm gonna skip a little. I ain't gonna watch. Come on, bro.
And I'm Eastern European. And
listen
I'm
to what I'm telling you.
fucking objectified and all
Listen to what
this
I'm
shit.
telling you, okay?
And it's not fair because I'm a good fucking person.
We're not
I'm
saying
a
you're
good
not.
fucking woman.
I'm a good person. But she hit every little stop on the way too.
We're not saying you're not, but you have to act like a lady. Okay, watch your
I'm
leg.
not a lady.
Watch your leg.
I'm not a lady. I don't know what to act as a lady. I'm a medical professional. I'm in scrubs.
Listen.
I'm not a lady. Like,
Listen to them now.
I don't know. It depends what you say. Be the same.
Okay, I'm treating you with respect. Right?
Can you take it off of me?
Not right now.
That hurts.
I understand it hurts, but you need to make it relax.
Bro, he don't give a fuck. He just jamming shit up in there. That ain't gonna fit.
Okay? Calm down.
That ain't gonna fit.
Okay? Because what you don't want is to be taken out of here crying and everything else, right?
Oh my, I was supposed to be on the plane.
Okay.
And he was with me.
So the plane is gone. So there's nothing to do about that now.
I'm from the family of all women. I have a sister, 3 sisters. And I don't understand how that would be the case. I was literally that.
Bro, she just whining, bro. It's not even intelligible talk, man. These guys will lay it down. What happened, bro?
So I thought she was on the phone with a headset, but she was talking to me, and then she started talking to passengers randomly, and people were some of the passengers were caught by surprise. They didn't know what to say, so I turned around and I asked her, "Is everything all right?" So she says, "She's none of your business. You know, get out of here." And I can smell alcohol, so I tell her, "Do you mind? Let's go outside. Let's talk about this." Initially,
So you tried to bring her back.
yeah, I never put my hands on her. Just say, could you please go outside and I'm gonna put you on the...
Yo, this lady got to back the hell off. That's the second time she done butt up in this thing. Like, what do you got to do with any of this? He's got the vest on. He says manager right there. Shut the fuck up with your haircut.
That's why I'm gonna give you time to sober up. But she kept walking to the point that I have to go down and talk to the doctor and
bro.
explain the situation. And then she became loud. She said, you know, let me go in. So we have to close the door. And at that point, then I call the county. So that's just what happened.
So you tried to bring her back.
Yes, to have a conversation to rebook her on the next flight.
And she
But
said,
she didn't want to go. She didn't want to get rebooked.
Then she
kept
started
walking
cursing F this, you F
all
this,
this
you
was
beyond.
inside the jet bridge.
We asked
she
her to
tried
come
to get
off,
onto the,
and even customers says, hey, there's kids here.
Okay, honestly, she did a better job. Like, he was fucking it up, bro. You were talking way too goddamn much. You were confusing the officer. Bruh, get your damn story straight. It's simple. She walked over there. She drunk. She yelling. You tried to bring her back. She didn't want to go. Here we are.
You mother. Just,
Okay. Man, this video is infuriating, bro. There's nothing even fun about this.
I know I'm a nurse practitioner, you're a peon.
So did she ever make entry onto the plane? And no, they kind of stopped.
No, we have to close the door.
We have to close the
So you
door.
closed the door.
Yeah.
So she never did
No,
actually.
she never did.
Okay, so basically it was her disturbance in the
Correct.
jet bridge.
Correct.
Okay, so she missed the plane and then freaked out over here. I'm sorry. I was like hoping for a little bit more, man. That was not exciting. That was not fun.
Disorderly conduct and disorderly intoxication. She was sentenced to a $294 fine.
That's it? I mean, well, you do get a fine for crying. That is pretty fucking brutal, actually. So I'm with that. Okay, whatever. It was decent. Justice was served. You know, that's the most important thing. I'm getting frustrated at every other video I be watching, becoming a problem. Next video,